Why is blood red? As a child, I always wondered why the veins in our skin look blue, or why scarlet blood pours out of our nose when we experience a nosebleed. It's all down to some colorful chemistry in our red blood cells. Red blood cells contain a molecule called hemoglobin, which binds and transports oxygen through our bodies. Hemoglobin is made up of 4 protein chains that binds an additional ring-shaped chemical structure called heme. Our red blood cells are red because of the heme groups in hemoglobin. In turn, our blood is red because of the millions of red blood cells that it contains. Color plays an important role in many aspects of biology. Color is important for camouflage and protection, metabolism, sexual behavior, and communication. Metals matter. The protein chains in the hemoglobin molecule in red blood cells are encoded by our genes. Mutations in the globin genes can cause diseases such as thalassemia and sickle cell disease. In order to bind oxygen, each protein chain binds to one heme group, allowing a maximum of 4 oxygen molecules to bind per one hemoglobin molecule. At heme center sits an iron molecule. The iron makes heme look red-brown. But what if the iron is swapped for a different metal? Do you still remember those green flames from chemistry class? Plant leaves are green because the chlorophyll in the leaves contains magnesium at the center of the ring. Meanwhile, in cold-blooded animals, blood appears blue because copper atoms sit at the center of the ring and bind to oxygen. Binding and the body. To return to human blood, the iron in hemoglobin binds oxygen in the lungs as we inhale air. Now, our blood looks bright red as it is being pumped away from the lungs to the tissues in our body. Luckily, oxygen binding is reversible, which means that oxygen taken up in the lungs is released in the tissues as the blood circulates around the body. When the oxygen is released, it is replaced by carbon dioxide, which is then taken back to our lungs and expelled from our bodies as we breathe. When carbon dioxide binds to hemoglobin, the color changes from bright red to dark red with a hint of purple. But why do our veins look blue? It's an illusion. The veins themselves are actually white-pink. The blue color that we see with our eyes is a combination of the blood, the vessel, the skin, and the process that allows us to see color. That's all for now. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more informational videos.